Did you know there are places on Earth that turn into giant natural mirrors so clear they perfectly reflect the sky? 10. Chott el Djerid, Tunisia. This is Africa's largest salt pan, stretching over 5,000 square kilometers. In the dry season, it's a blinding white plain. But after rare rains, shallow water creates a flawless mirror. Sometimes it even glows pink or purple, making it look like a fantasy dreamscape. 9. Salar de Arizaro, Argentina. Sitting high in the Andes, this massive salt flat is so remote you'll rarely see another person. After rains, water pools across its surface and reflects the surrounding volcanic peaks, so it looks like the sky is sprinkled with floating mountains. 8. Lake Eyre, Australia. Usually a dry salt basin, but every few years it floods dramatically. When it does, algae tint the water pink or orange, and it turns into a massive pastel mirror, reflecting clouds and the colorful outback. 7. Salinas Grandes, Argentina. Nestled among snow-capped mountains, this bright white expanse becomes a shallow lake during rainy season. It creates double images of the Andes, like two worlds stacked on top of each other. 6. Badwater Basin, Death Valley, USA. The lowest point in North America, 86 meters below sea level. Occasionally, heavy desert rains leave thin sheets of water on its salt crust, turning it into an eerie mirror, reflecting the distant Panamint Mountains. 5. Makgadikgadi Gadi Ponds, Botswana. Once an ancient lake, now one of the largest salt flats in the world. When seasonal rains arrive, water covers the pan, and flamingos gather by the thousands, walking across perfect sky reflections that look like heaven. 4. Etosha Pan, Namibia. This giant salt flat covers almost 5,000 kilometers, so big it can be seen from space. After rains, it fills just enough to create silvery shallow lakes that reflect dramatic African storm clouds and the wildlife that ventures out for a drink. 3. Bonneville Salt Flats, Utah, USA, famous for land speed records, but after rain, it transforms. The flat white crust gets coated with a thin water layer, creating a mirror so perfect that cars seem to float and the sky meets the ground seamlessly. 2. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The largest salt flat on Earth, over 10,000 square kilometers. After rain, it becomes the world's biggest mirror, where sunsets and stars reflect so vividly it feels like you're walking through two skies. 1. Salar de Atacama, Chile. Less known than Uyuni, but just as breathtaking. Seasonal rains turn it into a vast reflective pool surrounded by pink-tinged mountains and home to flocks of flamingos.